Hey guys, it's me, Douglas, and look, I've got some new friends that I met here at MegaCon. Actually, I met them last year.
Yeah.
These guys are awesome. This is Mr. Matt, and this is Jiggy. They're from, where are you guys from?
Remix Education!
Remix Education. Does Jiggy kind of look like me?
Are you guys brothers? Cousins?
Maybe distant cousins, I don't know, I wouldn't go that far. But he's got the green thing going in the fur, and hey, you know, I think it is so cool how when we come to conferences like this, we can meet so many people who are, you know, they're on the same mission. What's that mission?
Man, our mission is to just use a bunch of crazy games and funny skits with Jiggy, doing a bunch of nonsense, and then in between all the fun, we try to just preach that message of Jesus and how much he loves every single one of you kids.
Yeah, so I mean, one way is, you know, doing the stuff that I do, like making the videos, but then also, you know, these guys, they have an epic, awesome show, Remix. It's so cool. They got Jiggy running around, they got flying things.
Flying frisbees and toilet paper guns and giant hamster balls.
It's awesome, and it's so cool. You guys should totally check them out. Matt, how can they find you? Because I was gonna ask Jiggy, but when I asked him, he just kind of looked at me like this.
I know, he's got to get stage fright and he can't talk.
Yeah, so how can they find you?
You guys can find us on YouTube under Remix Education, or you can find us on TikTok or Instagram under Remix Jiggy.
Awesome. That's so cool. That's so, and I can't wait to see you guys next show.
I know, it'll be great. We look forward to seeing you guys.
All right, see you later.